this thing's even working or not, if you can hear me in the first 21 seconds. Okay, just because you didn't hear me, we're gonna go take a photo of these trees real quick, and then go get our business cards. There's trying to decide if I want to do the double trees or these single ones over there. We'll get to see whether or not this mic thing's working or not, and if it is not, then I guess I'll have to purchase a new one. I'll send into the company with this one. All kinds of gigabusted. Got nice blue skies today. Get all the cards and stuff out of the phone responsive. Alright. That is that. Tree right here too. Ooh. Nice little bunch. Nice. Alright, well, I wonder if our business cards are done yet. I don't have a text message yet, so I'm not entirely sure. Maybe get the long lens out and get this goosey goose right quick. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch over to long lens. Get this Malibu. got some long shots too. We'll call it there. What up, everybody? Welcome back. It is day 96. 96.
Oh yeah, try my nuts to your fist time. Oh.
365 days of a photo, and we got these photos today. You already know because you saw the beginning little video of us taking the photos at this place. Anyway, here we go. Let's find what we want. I also have this duck. This tree. Didn't really nail any of these shots now, didn't I? Not a single one. Which is crazy because the focus box is directly on this guy. Alright. Anyway, let's go back to our tree frames. Okay. I think we're gonna go with this guy here. Just that. Huh. Weird, it doesn't feel straight, but that I think is straight. Anyway, here we go. Tapping in the colors. Nice and deep black. Alright. Now we're gonna go do some boosting. Some adjusting, hit it with some texture, hit it with some clarity. Throw a little hazy filtering on it. Vignette. Denoise that bad boy. It's a prop.
No, it's good. It's good.
No, no. Please, I have a wound there.
Oh, come on, don't spoil everything. This works for both of us, huh?
He's good. Okay. This color. Sorry, I just got a message, folks. Might have a possible gig with the salon to, help build our portfolio for Squeaky Door Productions and to help them out as a local business and try to do some networking. I want to get rid of some stuff over here. I'll cut most of that out. You'll see me start the process and then hear me talking about it here. Okay, let's see if we can get those things to remove. Wind blows over here making a beat in Discord. Oh, it did good. Alright. Let's see how well we can get a mask going here. Detecting. Pretty good on the vegetation. Not great. Not great.
Crimson corset, torn white lace, choir of sinners crown your face, strobe like halos,
Grab Lenny. Come from here. Bring our blanks in. Shadows down. Contrast way up. Grab this. Flip this one. Drop the bench. Contrast. Texture. And radio.
One more spin. Let it take a breath.
Like that.
If this is sin,
Cut down like that.
we'll sing
Noise
it
reduction first. I'm gonna go
to
hard
death.
on the yellow. Black on it. White up. Shadow up. Highlights up. Contrast down.
Every circle cuts a little deeper as we
Saturation up.
against the wall. Waltz to the world of the kick drum pounding. Hands up, drag through the fire in this clockwork cathedral. We burn on the edge of desire.
That is our photo. Day 96 in the books. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much. And we will see you in the next. Bye-bye.